Hello children. Next we are going to see about bijective function, which is 1 1 and onto. A function f is from x to y is said to be 1 1 and onto function or bijective function if f is both 1 1 and onto. A function is given as f equal to 1 4, 2 5 and 3 6. That is 1 to 4, 2 to 5 and 3 to 6. What is 1 1 function? If the images of distinct element of x under f are distinct, that is every element of x should have an image, distinct image in y. So that is 1 1 function. No element should be left in x. So we can say that this function is 1 1 function. So what is onto function? Onto function means if every element of y is the image of some element of x under f. So 4 to 1, 5 to 2 and 6 to 3. There is no element which is left in y. We can say that this function is onto. If the function is 1 1 and onto, then it is a bijective function. So from these diagrams, let's see which one is 1 1 onto, or it satisfies both 1 1 and onto. So first diagram, every element of x1 has an image in, distinct image in x2. That is, A is the image of 1, so B is the image of 2, D is the image of 3 and C is the image of 4. There is no element which is left in x1. Then we say that this function is 1 1. Let's check for onto function. So onto function, we can clearly see that there are two elements which is left in x2. The other elements have distinct images in x1, but two elements have left out in x2. Then we say that this function is not onto. Now let's see the second diagram. Here B is the image of 1 and 2, which clearly says that the function is not 1 1, because every element of x1 have distinct image in x2. Here we can see that B is the image of 1 and 2. The two elements which have one image. So we can say this function is not 1 1. Let's check for onto function. Onto function, we have some E and F left out elements, and there are no distinct images in x1. So it's not 1 1 and not onto. And the third diagram, here also it's clearly seen that A is the image of 1 and 2. So we can say this function is not 1 1. This is many one function. So it's not 1 1 function and not onto also, because A have two pre-images. So it's not 1 1 and not onto. It's many one function. And the fourth diagram, you can clearly see that B is the image of 1. Every element of x1 have distinct image in x2. That is, B is the image of 1, A is the image of 3, C is the image of 2 and D is the image of 4. There is no elements which is left in x1. So this function is 1 1. And this function is onto also. Every element in x2 have distinct pre-images in x1. Then we can say that this function is 1 1 and onto. Then it is, if it is 1 1 and onto, it is a bijective function. Third question, prove that the greatest integer function f is from R to R given by f of x equal to x, which is neither 1 1 nor onto, where this x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. So greatest integer means if we take x is equal to some 2.3, so we have to write the less than 2.3. So 2.3, 2.2, 2, 1 point something, so 1, etc. So greatest integer means less than or equal to x, that is 2. If we take x is equal to 2.3, the greatest integer is 2. If we take x is equal to 1.5, the greatest integer will be 1. If we take x is equal to some 3.3 greatest integer, then the value would be 3. Now we have to check for one function that x1, x2 belongs to R, f of x1 equal to f of x2, that is x1 equal to x2. We take any value that is some 2.3, which is equal to some, take x2 as some 2.4. The greatest integer would be 2, which is equal to 2. That is f of x1, which is equal to f of x2, which implies that x1 is not equal to x2. x1 and x2 have different values, but the images will be same. So which implies that x1 is not equal to x2. Hence it is not 1 function. Now we have to check for onto function. If it is 1.5, the greatest integer would be 1. If it is 2.5, the greatest integer would be 2. If it is some 3.5, the greatest integer would be 3. Then if we take y is equal to some 2.5, then we can say that there is no element in x that belongs to R, since f of x equal to, which implies that f is a function which is not onto. Fourth question, show that the modulus function f is from R to R given by f of x equal to modulus x is neither 1 nor onto, where modulus x is x if x is positive. That is f of x equal to x. If x is positive means x is greater than or equal to 0. And modulus of x is minus x if x is negative. That is x is less than 0. So case 1, let x1, x2 belongs to R. So x1 is greater than or equal to 0 and x2 is greater than or equal to 0. So f of x1 equal to f of x2, which implies that x1 equal to x2. Not considering the modulus function, because we have written the modulus function as some x which is positive, that is greater than or equal to 0, and minus x which is negative and x is less than 0. So f of x1 equal to x2, which implies that x1 equal to x2, it is clearly that f is 1 function. So case 2, if x1 is less than 0 and x2 is less than 0. So if it is negative, the function will be minus x. So f of x1 equal to f of x2 minus x1 equal to minus x2, which implies that x1 equal to x2. Again we can say that f is 1 function, but it's given that it is neither 1 and nor onto, and we have to prove it is not 1 function. So modulus of x is again will be plus x. So if we take any value minus 3, so modulus of minus 3 is plus 3 and modulus of plus 3 is also plus 3. If we take minus 1, modulus of minus 1 is 1 and modulus of 1 is also 1. If we take a function from x to y, so from real numbers to real numbers, that is minus 3 is 3 and plus 3 is also 3 and minus 1 is 1 and plus 3 is also 1. So this is many to 1 function. So we can say that it is not 1 to 1. So for 1 1 function, every element should have distinct image in Y. Case 3, let x1 is greater than or equal to 0 and x2 is less than 0. That is f of x1 equal to f of x2. So x1 is x1 and x2 is less than 0. So minus x2. So x1 is negative of some x2. It's not that x1 is equal to x2. That is x1 is not equal to x2. So not 1 1 function. Let's check for onto function. That y equal to minus 3 that belongs to real numbers. There are no elements in x that belongs to real numbers such that f of x equal to modulus of x. Hence we can say that f is not onto function. Fifth question, show that the signum function f is from R to R given by f of x equal to 1 if x is greater than 0, f of x equal to 0 if x equal to 0, f of x equal to minus 1 if x is less than 0, which is neither 1 1 nor onto. It's given that f of x equal to 0 if x equal to 0, that is x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Then f of x equal to 1, that is y equal to 1 if x is greater than 0. That is if x takes values like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. then f of x is 1. If x is greater than 0, that is positive values. If x takes values 1, 2, 3, 4, f of x will be 1. And similarly, if x is less than 0, that is if x takes values minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. then f of x is minus 1, that is y is minus 1. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. Then y is minus 1. Let's check for 1 1 function. Let x1 is greater than 0 and x2 is greater than 0. F of x1 equal to f of x2, which implies that x1 is not equal to x2, because if we take x is equal to some 3 and x is equal to some 4, then f of x equal to 1. If we take x is equal to 4 and x equal to 5, then f of x is 1. In which we can say that x have different elements but the images are same. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. The images are same but the values or the elements of x are different. Then it implies that x1 is not equal to x2. So f is not 1 1 function. We'll check for onto function. If we take any values of x is greater than 0, that is positive values, that is 1, 2, 3, we get f of x is 1. If x is greater than 0, f of x equal to 1. That is, if we take any positive values greater than 0, that is 1, 2, 3, etc., then f of x will be 1. And x is equal to 0 if f of x equal to 0. And if we take any values when x is less than 0, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc., f of x equal to minus 1. So it maps to minus 1. So onto function is from f of x to x. So here we can see that there are leftover elements in the codomain. So onto function means every element must have a distinct image in x. Here we have some leftover elements in the codomain. You can say that it is not onto. If we say y is equal to some minus 3, that belongs to real numbers. There is no x belongs to R such that f of x is signum function. Then we say that f is not onto.